Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the DJI Mavic 3 Cine. What does Cine mean?
Cine means cine. It means cinematic.
So this is supposed to be kind of like maybe an Inspire comparable, a budget Inspire. I mean, this thing was pretty expensive.
Yeah.
I don't feel like it's budget anything.
No, it actually took some of what made the Inspire great and put it into the Mavic package.
Put it into the Mavic package. I have the Mavic, the Mini. Is that considered a Mavic?
No.
I can't remember. So
No.
It looks like a Mavic. I have the Mini 3 Pro and I love it. And this is gonna do all sorts of things. What are we gonna do with this, Kevin? Why would we even get this thing?
We're gonna make all sorts of stuff, all sorts of videos. I'm excited. There's some big stuff.
All sorts of magic. So this is a lovely unboxing. Do we have an unboxing knife?
We're not even ready. But you know what? I have an idea. Before knives, people use keys. Nope.
No, they didn't. No. We need a knife, a weapon of sharpness.
Aaron has been excited longer than I was about the Ronin. Probably a week you waited just to get this.
I've been excited. We are recording this on the Ronin 4D, which may be the lens that we're going to be riding on from here on out. And we got this because me and Kevin are partnering together, and we started a new company called Evergreen Productions. Maybe there might be some content coming out under Evergreen's name, but it's basically videography, drone photography, and all sorts of amazing things. So we had to up the camera game, up the gear game. Mini Pro, cute, but not gonna quite get it done.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
So
it's good for them because now we have lots of cool stuff to show you.
Now we have lots of cool stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. It looked like I kind of already did. Okay.
Ooh.
So that is a nice. Okay.
So I had the Mavic 2 Pro. They gave you this sort of purse-looking bag last time. Over your shoulder. Did not look like that. That looks like a suitcase.
This looks phenomenal.
Yeah, they upped it.
Ooh, I don't know what the last one looked like, but I know that my Phantom 2 or 4 or whatever it was like in a ginormous.
The Mavic 2 is about half the size of this. So cut this in half. That was the Mavic 2 bag. So that's nice. It's a nice size bag.
For the price tag, you should have outdone yourself.
Wow, that's actually, it's stylish too.
It's like a saddle bag.
I know. I wouldn't mind taking it out in public, actually.
Ooh.
That's nice. Built-in pockets.
I love pockets.
I know. It's my favorite part. You can store so much.
What can you put in pockets?
Everything.
Everything. Oh, it's a backpack.
My wife complains she
It
doesn't
turns into a backpack.
Oh my gosh.
What? DJI?
Wow. Oh, so you just snap it right in there.
Oh my gosh.
Converting bag.
What?
So last time you had to go buy your own backpack. Now they give you a bag with a backpack and extra pockets. They did not put this on the advertising either. Like I had
we didn't know this was gonna happen.
No idea.
Is this what we bought?
Apparently. It actually was the upgraded package.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have the upgraded package.
Okay, it's in
the bundle.
Chinese, or is that Japanese?
It's Chinese.
Okay.
DJI is from China.
Either way, I can't read it.
Great manufacturer. Even if they are spying on me, I don't care. Oh, wow. So what goes in here?
I think you put your just stuff.
Okay, so it's sort of an open bag.
Swimmy.
Whatever you want. Not much padding though, so be careful, guys. Whatever you're putting in here, make sure it can take a.
It's gonna get destroyed.
It looks like they secured the drone.
I know it's a nice bag, but let's be real. Is this what we're gonna leave our drone in?
No.
No, we've already bought a hard case for it. This was not a cheap little toy, so we want to protect it. We want to respect it, and we want to give it the protection it deserves. Always getting the protection plan.
I mean, you're gonna want extra batteries anyways. These sort of bags aren't meant for like 3 or 4 batteries.
Okay, so this is getting super cool.
Yep.
So we have a box, okay?
Imagine full of wires.
A box.
Oh, so open that up. Show them that. Show them.
Okay.
So this is how it came. You don't see that, right? So this was in it, just like this. Open it up.
Chilling.
Take it down. Secret flap and a zipper. So you missed the zipper. Another zipper.
Or zippers.
And then boom. Ready?
Can we see that again?
That's nice. It's like a nice leather bag. I mean,
Woo!
DJI.
This is it.
Solid. Listen,
Oh my God, it's like
this is nice.
it's a leather daddy, and it has like a little harness.
Wow.
Ooh,
That's pretty.
oh my God, I want to do it again.
Snaps together. Wow. Hold on. Can I see this?
No. Okay.
No, just turn it.
Okay.
Just yeah, you hold. Wow.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's nice. What is it? It's just holding the camera. So that's a camera caddy. It's just keeping your camera in place.
She came right off. Ooh, are you ready?
I'm ready. Wow. Solid camera. So something I like about DJI, they don't just focus on giving you a good drone, easy to fly. They make sure you have a camera. The camera's top line. You got other drone makers. They don't. DJI partnered with Hasselblad. Enough said. Hasselblad. Solid.
So if I'm hoping, okay, I was like maybe it
Fold. I imagine it folds out the same way. So these are gonna fold down. There you go. So the same way the Mavic 2 went out.
And the mini.
And the mini. See, I've never flown them. It's too small for me.
It's not the size that matters.
It's true. It's your harness that matters.
It's just like a little leather daddy.
That's amazing. So at the Mavic 2 had this sort of like plastic thing. It was super hard to get back. I imagine a lot of people
This thing is so cool. It almost like has its own little landing pad built into it.
The battery pops out the butt.
Oh, batteries. It came with batteries? What else did we get in the back?
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
If I had to guess, batteries.
I guess
And
paperwork.
propellers.
Battery. One extra. Nope. This is your charger.
Okay.
Solid USB-C. I mean, that's thick.
That's rope. That's like nylon.
What do we got
So
here?
here is a cradle.
I have no idea what this is. It's wrapped up good.
Packaging.
Okay, here's your ND filters. So we bought the bundle. We bought the
Bundle.
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 Always get the bundle.
Get the bundle.
It's worth it.
If you can afford it, bundle it up.
More ND filters. So these are weird shape.
Oh.
So whatever ND filters you bought for the Mavic 2, they're not going to work on this one. They want you to buy more.
Really?
DJI, they love your accessories.
So, is this the only battery it came with?
That's the battery charger. We're not even to the battery yet.
Oh, wow. Okay, so we've got 2 sets of ND filters. You see that? Which, these are nice.
Yeah.
What's an ND filter and why do I need one on a drone?
It's a neutral density filter.
Whoa, that's an education coming at you right there.
Right here.
What was it called?
Neutral density.
Okay.
Honestly, it just brings down your exposure so you can get your frame rate solid with your shutter speed. Video's a little different than photo, so just make sure you get some ND filters for your video.
Neutral density filters, NDF, neutral density filters.
And they got different stops, so if you want to bring down your exposure, it's all about getting the right aperture. So your aperture is going to get your right selective focus, what you want in focus in your picture, your video.
So this is a 64, 128, 256, 512.
So think fractions. So 1 over 6.
This is like the same denominations of gigabytes.
It's going to bring down your fractions of an exposure.
And that is going to result in
Making sure you can get this right, proper shutter speed to match the right aperture so you have what you need in focus. You want to make sure people aren't glitching over. So it's all about getting the right shutter speed, right aperture, and
Got it.
that helps.
That helps, especially when you're flying through the air in a little drone, in a little camera, behind a little
Pretty.
gimbal.
This is beautiful. These are nice cases.
This is all exciting. So
Extra
we've got
props.
that. We have a USB-C to USB, whatever, old schools. Just props for days, huh?
All sorts of props.
Okay. Well, is there anything else?
There is. There's a lot. There's a lot.
Ooh, what is this? Ooh.
Battery.
Okay, so this must be the battery. I've been dying to get to an extra
Battery.
We ordered more batteries because we weren't sure how
Listen,
many it was coming with.
You
So
can
it
never
came
have
with-
enough.
It came with 3, 1 installed and then 2 backups. So that's pretty good. And then we got an additional 2 more.
2 more, yeah.
So we will have 5 total in flight. So we're ready for life.
That right there.
That's the new RC Pro.
That's beautiful. That looks like their OcuSync. That's an upgrade. That's nice. You had to get your phone. You plug your phone. It's such a pain in the butt. I mean, you don't want to put your phone on your drone. You can't get.
What if you get a phone call?
You do. You get a phone call.
Yeah,
it
what
ruins
happens to your drone?
It's so
Oh,
frustrating.
you die. You die.
Yeah,
Your
your
drone
drone
dies.
could. So this, you don't have to mess with the phone anymore.
The plastic is so tough.
They protect it.
I feel weak.
Oh, that is. It's not like this cheap plastic.
Whoa!
That's like the medical grade with it. Dexter
Holy
plastic.
smokes. This is a lot like the Mini, but I'm going to tell you, this is a lot heavier than the Mini controller. Feel that.
Wow.
That's like the weight of the drone.
That's solid. What did it say? Up to like 10 miles, 12 miles?
100.
It,
It was 100 miles.
100
What do I know?
100. Wow. Okay, so they look at that. They even give you your sticks in the back. Your sticks.
Extra sticks.
With pop them out, screw them in.
Yeah.
Good to
Just
go.
like on the Mini.
Yep. This is crazy.
Yeah, just
what they got extra screws, so something goes in here. I imagine you can just sort of mount it.
Yep.
There's all sorts
You
of
can get accessories for it.
accessories.
Yep.
They love accessories.
They love accessories. You can get things that go around your neck, things that go around your face, all sorts of stuff.
This is not. So it's
Yeah,
almost,
you can program those buttons on the bottom to do certain things, to go switch vertical. You can program it to come home. You can program it to go from video to photo to different modes. And it's really, really simple to user interface.
That was how the Inspires were. Even from the Inspire 1, I had mine programmed how I liked it.
Yeah, that's one thing I really, really like about the controller on my Mini is it's easy to use and it's enjoyable. It never made me feel confused. Now,
I think DJI's like that in general.
well, you've done the FPV goggles?
No, that's just
that kind of makes.
That's just FPV in
I
general.
gotta take Dramamine in order to play in that garden.
But though their new one
But
looks
it's a lot. What was it? The Avita? The Cinewap?
it looks
Cinewap?
looks nice. Looks pretty.
Well, here it is, the premium bundle combo.
Premium.
The Mavic 3 Cine, and I believe Cine is cinematography.
Comes with a lot.
absolutely gorgeous. It is beautiful. We've got 2 different cases of ND filters, this RC Pro controller, 3 full batteries that came with it, this crazy saddlebag, a harness, the dang thing, some props for days, and a whole bunch of sexy cords. This thing came with everything.
I can't wait
And
to
I
fly
think,
it.
well, how much was it? Like
$499.99.
not $499.
$4,099.99.
baby
That's
Jesus.
like that is Inspire price range. That's
Inspire.
yeah.
Whew.
No joke.
But we're gonna make magic with this. Image transmission signal. Okay, so we're gonna return home because I'm pretty sure we're super far from home right now. I've never flown this far from my house before. I think this thing has like a range of a couple miles. If that's the case, we just put it to the test. Oh, damn, it found me! Oh, yeah! It's gonna hit me. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe, and give us all the goodness in the world. Till next time, for the Levitech, namaste.